Welcome to our channel, where you may uncover and explore the amazing opportunities to enhance your health and general well-being. We will delve further into the fascinating world of superfoods in today's enthralling film, revealing the untold secrets and remarkable advantages they hold. Get ready for a thrilling explorational voyage that will reinvigorate and improve every part of your life. The marvels of superfoods. Have you ever wondered what makes certain foods super? Let's discover the incredible benefits and nutrient-rich profiles of superfoods. These extraordinary foods possess unique qualities that go beyond basic nutrition. They are packed with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that can transform your health and well-being. Picture a vibrant blueberry bursting with antioxidants, a rich green kale leaf brimming with essential nutrients, or a vibrant orange carrot loaded with beta-carotene. These superfoods are like nutritional powerhouses, providing our bodies with an array of essential nutrients that support overall health. But what sets superfoods apart from regular foods? It's their exceptional nutritional density and concentration of beneficial compounds. These foods have been carefully selected for their exceptional health-promoting properties and have been enjoyed by various cultures for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern-day nutritional research, the marvels of superfoods have fascinated and impressed scientists and health enthusiasts alike. They have been known to boost the immune system, improve cognitive function, support heart health, and even help prevent chronic diseases. But it's not just their nutritional benefits that make superfoods extraordinary. They often possess unique flavors and textures that can add excitement and variety to your meals. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can be a delightful culinary adventure, as you explore new tastes and creative ways to enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Did you know that many superfoods have been treasured for centuries in ancient cultures? Let's take a journey back in time to uncover the ancient wisdom behind these extraordinary foods. Learn how civilizations from around the world recognized the healing and rejuvenating powers of superfoods. Imagine walking through the vibrant markets of ancient civilizations, where people would gather to exchange not only goods but also knowledge about the incredible benefits of certain foods. In these cultures, superfoods were considered precious treasures that contributed to vitality, longevity, and overall well-being. Let's explore some of these ancient superfoods that have stood the test of time. The revered maca root of the Incas, known for its adaptogenic properties and hormone balancing effects. The sacred cacao beans of the Mayans, cherished for their antioxidant content and mood-enhancing qualities. These are just a glimpse into the ancient wisdom that has shaped the world of superfoods. Throughout history, these civilizations understood the importance of nourishing the body with nature's bounty. They recognized the unique properties of superfoods and integrated them into their diets for their transformative effects on health and vitality. From the Ayurvedic practices of India to the traditional Chinese medicine approach, ancient cultures valued the power of food as medicine. They believed in the energetic qualities of each ingredient and its ability to restore balance and harmony within the body. Uncovering the science. Scientists from around the world have dedicated countless hours to unraveling the mysteries of superfoods. Through rigorous studies and clinical trials, they have uncovered the incredible impact these nutrient powerhouses can have on our health and well-being. One fascinating aspect of superfoods is their high concentration of antioxidants. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress and help protect our cells from damage. Research has shown that diets rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, support a healthy immune system, and even slow down the aging process. But it doesn't stop there. Superfoods have also been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various diseases, and incorporating anti-inflammatory superfoods into our diets can help combat this silent threat. The scientific community has also uncovered the unique compounds present in superfoods that contribute to their health benefits. From phytochemicals and polyphenols to essential vitamins and minerals, these nutritional powerhouses offer a synergistic combination of elements that work together to support our well-being. In addition to their nutritional density, superfoods have also shown promise in supporting cognitive function, cardiovascular health, and even mood regulation. Studies have indicated that certain superfoods can enhance brain function, lower cholesterol levels, and boost our overall sense of well-being. Superfood Spotlight. First, let's talk about the leafy greens that have captured the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These greens are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide essential nutrients that support overall health, boost the immune system, and promote vibrant skin. Moving on to fruits, we have the delightful berries that offer both taste and health benefits. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. These tiny fruits pack a big punch when it comes to protecting our cells from damage and promoting heart health. Let's not forget the nourishing power of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They provide an excellent source of energy, support brain health, and help regulate cholesterol levels. We can't talk about superfoods without mentioning the versatile legume family. Chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are not only delicious but also excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. These legumes offer a sustainable and nutritious way to fuel our bodies. Lastly, we delve into the world of ancient grains, such as quinoa, amaranth, and farro. These grains have sustained civilizations for centuries, providing an abundance of nutrients, including protein, fiber, and various vitamins. They are not only delicious but also offer a gluten-free alternative to traditional grains. Superfood recipes and culinary adventures. Superfoods are not only packed with nutrients but also offer a wide range of flavors and textures that can elevate any dish. From vibrant salads to hearty entrees and delectable desserts, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive into some mouth-watering superfood recipes that will leave you craving for more. Our first recipe takes us on a journey to the Mediterranean with a refreshing and nutrient-packed superfood salad. Imagine a colorful combination of fresh leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, avocado, quinoa, and a sprinkle of crunchy nuts and seeds. This salad not only satisfies your taste buds but also nourishes your body with a burst of vitamins and minerals. Now, let's explore a delightful twist on a classic comfort food, superfood pasta. We'll replace traditional pasta with zucchini noodles, toss them in a vibrant pesto made from nutrient-rich greens like kale and basil, and top it off with cherry tomatoes, grilled chicken, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. This guilt-free indulgence will satisfy your cravings while providing a healthy dose of superfood goodness. For those with a sweet tooth, we have a treat that combines the rich flavor of dark chocolate with the antioxidant powerhouse of berries. Get ready to indulge in our superfood chocolate berry smoothie bowl. This creamy and decadent delight features a blend of frozen berries, banana, spinach, almond milk, and a generous drizzle of dark chocolate. It's a guilt-free dessert that nourishes both your body and soul. These recipes are just a taste of the culinary adventures you can embark on with superfoods. The key is to experiment, get creative, and let your taste buds guide you. Incorporating superfoods into your meals not only adds a nutritional boost but also brings an exciting and vibrant element to your dining experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the secrets of superfoods. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and motivated you to embrace the incredible benefits that superfoods can offer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos.